Welcome back to G-Force. I'm Jordan, and today we're going to be talking about our Honda K-Series engine to Z32 transmission adapter. So the K-Series engines came in a variety of Honda Civics, Accords, and CR-Vs, and it's a very popular four-cylinder engine. They came in a 2-liter and a 2.4. Those are considered the K20 and the K24 respectively. So there are some differences between the K20 and the K24, but for the most part, our kit works for all of them. The K-Series engine is a very popular front-wheel drive platform. Our kit allows you to take that four-cylinder that came in these front-wheel drive cars and utilize a rear-wheel drive transmission. So you can put them in drift cars, classic cars, anything you want. So that gives you an option for a rear-wheel drive transmission. Our adapter kits include a 3/8" steel adapter plate that's powder coated for durability. We also include a custom steel flywheel that bolts to your K-Series engine, and it actually utilizes the Z32 Nissan clutch components. All of our kits come complete with hardware, pilot bushing adapter, and the necessary components to get your transmission bolted up to your engine. Another thing to note about the Z32 transmissions is that they have a transmission mounted starter. So you'll utilize that starter in our swaps. So if you want to find out more about the K-Series to Z32 transmission adapter, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.